Hi everyone and welcome to this video. If you're just starting your journey in C++ programming, you've come to the right place. Today we are going to break down the very first program every programmer writes, Hello World. This program might look simple, but it's your first step to understanding how C++ works. We will cover everything from what each line of code means to how your computer interprets it. Let's dive in. The goal is to output the text Hello World to your screen. It's a simple way to test if your compiler and environment are set up correctly. This tradition started with the C programming language in the 70s and has since become a universal starting point for programming languages. Here is our C++ Hello World program. Don't worry if it seems confusing right now, we'll go line by line. Include IOStream. This is a preprocessor directive. It tells the compiler to include the IOStream library, which stands for Input-Output Stream. This library provides the functionality to display text on the screen using Kaut, using namespace std. This line lets you avoid typing std before objects like Kaut and Endl. While optional, it makes our code cleaner. For example, instead of std_Kaut, we can just use Kaut. Int main. Every C++ program starts with the main function. It is the entry point of your program. The int before main means this function returns an integer value. Curly braces. These braces define the scope of the main function. Everything inside these braces is executed when the program runs. Kaut hello world. Endl. Here, Kaut is the output stream object from the IOStream library. It is used to print text to the console. Is called the stream insertion operator. It tells Kaut what to output. Hello world is the actual text we want to display. Endl ends the line and flushes the output buffer, ensuring the text is displayed immediately. Return 0 statement indicates that the program ended successfully. It is not strictly necessary for modern compilers, but it is a good practice. Your code is written in a high-level language, but the computer only understands machine code. The compiler translates your code into machine-readable instructions. We've covered what Hello World is, how each line works, and how to compile and run your program. Now that you've mastered this, you're ready to explore more complex topics like variables, loops, and functions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what topic you want to learn about next.